Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of GLS shipping integration for Odoo for Germany. It connects your ERP directly with the GLS to automate the shipping labels, real-time tracking and the delivery updates. Improves the shipment accuracy. It's helping businesses deliver faster with better customer visibility. So here for the first step, I have already configured the database and now I'm just going to the sales, and under the configuration you will find one option for the delivery methods. So here I'm selecting the delivery method as the GLS Germany. So here you have to add the credentials for the GLS Germany configuration, and after that I'm just moving forward to the sales order and selecting the quotation, and I'm going to create a new quote. So here I have selected the customer who belongs to the Germany. So it is the prerequisite you have to select the Germany address customer only. So here I have selected the product. After that, here you will find one option for add shipping, and I'm selecting the GLS, and over here I'm adding the weight as 5 kg and going to add it, and here I have to set the price for the same. Now I'm just going to confirm the same. So here you can see the delivery operation is generated, and under the additional info you can see our shipping method is configured also. So I'm just going to validate the same. So here you can see it is showing the validation error that you have to set up the minimum weight for the product. So for the same, I'm just going to the product form, and under the inventory tab, here you have to set up the minimum weight for your product. And I'm going to save it and validate the same. So here in the additional info tab, you can able to see one tracking references created successfully, and the weight of product is also reflected. And here in the chatter, you can see one label is generated for the same. I'm just going to download it. So here you can see the shipping label is created from the GLS label. So after that, if I'm just going to return this product, so I'm selecting the quantity and return the same. So here you find one option for print the return label, and after that you have to click on this tracking. So here you can see the shipment status is changed and the tracking ID is also reflected, that is the return. In the smart buttons you also able to see this return is created for the product. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.